Hey everyone, it's Nikki Luther here in Palm Coast, Florida. So today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the loan process and loan application no-nos. So what you should not do if you are trying to purchase a house. Now, a lot of people do not know some of these things, and a lot of people do know some of these things and they try to get away with it. So let's start with the loan application. If you are looking to get pre-approved for a mortgage, you are looking to purchase a house, and you are filling out a loan application at home, your mortgage broker sent it to you with a link and you're filling it out on your own time, and you put, I worked here, I worked there, this is how much I made this year, this is how much I have in savings, etc., etc. And, they call you the next day, they said your loan application looks great, here's a pre-approval, go find a house. And then once you put an offer on a house and you are ready to go and they're submitting all of your paperwork, they found out, well, hey, you don't make this much and you don't have this much in savings. How are you going to go about purchasing this home? We can't finance you. So that leads me to another tip or word of advice would be, instead of getting pre-approved, get pre-qualified. And this is where, the lender takes all of your information and your paperwork before you put an offer on a house so that they can verify that you make X amount and that you've been working here X amount of years, etc. So let's jump ahead into the loan process no-nos. Now, something you should not do if you are under contract for a house and you are in the loan process and you are purchasing a house is do not go and buy a car, do not go buy furniture for that new house, do not open new credit lines at Lowe's or Home Depot. Do not touch anything that has to do with your credit. Do not open any new accounts. Do not close any accounts. If you have to make a purchase, it's an emergency, call your mortgage broker or your loan officer and ask them first if it's okay. Do not switch jobs. Yes, the bank will verify before you close if you still work at the same place. They are going to verify that you still make the same amount of money. They are going to check your pay stubs before you close. They are checking your credit before you close. You guys, you cannot sneak around the banks. They are watching you. When you are in that 30 to 45 day process and you're purchasing a home, whether it's $100,000 or $500,000, the bank wants to know that their money that they're giving you to purchase the home is going to someone who is qualified, who will pay them, and who will not foreclose. So do not do any of those things. Like I said, if there is an emergency and you need to go purchase something or you need to go get a high-priced item, ask your loan officer first. Don't even ask your realtor. Skip ahead and go to your loan officer, because they're the ones who are going to know right away whether or not you can purchase that or you should hold off on it until after you close. Now, the day that you close and you sign that paperwork and the keys are in your hands, go ahead and buy your furniture. Go ahead and get that car you want. At that point, you're in the clear. But whenever I raised my voice a little. I got a little heated. I know, it has happened before. And like I said, a bunch of buyers do not know that they're not supposed to do this. So don't change jobs. Don't open new credit accounts. Don't close any credit accounts. Don't buy, that fancy TV screen for that new house. Just wait, hold off, and just listen to the advice of your loan officer and your realtor, and don't lie in your loan application. The bank will find out about everything. Sounds scarier than it really is. But anyway, these are my thoughts. We're almost at 4 minutes. Wow, I haven't done a 4-minute video in a while. If you guys have any questions, if this has happened to you, if you don't want this to happen to you, I love talking with you guys. Comment below. Email me at nluther@palmcoastrealestate.com. Find me on Facebook or Instagram /nlutherrealtor. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.